What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Tamra. If it is your first time here, thank you so much for joining me. Today's video is going to be all about my Amazon favorites. Just like everyone else under the sun, I live on Amazon. I'm always finding something that I like, something that I need, something that I didn't know that I needed, but when I actually got it, I was very happy about it. So today I'm here to show you just a few of those things. Hopefully you find something that you never knew you needed, but you might actually just go ahead and buy. If you want to see what I got, go ahead and keep watching. If you like videos like this, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new, subscribe. I would love to have you, and let's get started. Okay, so the first item is a little bit of a self-care type of item. They are these eye covers by the company Smug. They are concave eye covers that I use to sleep in the daytime, because if you did not know, I work night shift, and it's hard to sleep in the daytime because the sun's up in the daytime and sunlight wakes me up. So having these eye covers really come in clutch. This is the second pair I've ordered, and these are on their way out the door because I use them all the time, so they are wear and tear. So I'm getting ready to order another pair, but I love them. I love the fact that the eye's concave, and I'm trying to get this Velcro open. My nails are giving me a hard time. There we go. And it has Velcro so you can adjust how tight or how loose you want them. They're just a really sturdy pair of eye covers. I used to be the one that would run into Claire's and get the little cheap eye covers. No, sis, you need some genuine eye covers that black out everything, that don't stick to your eye. This is it. Shout out to my best friend Dara for putting me on. They have different patterns too. Like the first pair I had, I think, was cheetah. These are the little eyelashes and they're pink. I think they have a blue pair. Oh, endless world of eye covers. Okay, get you some. Next, I've featured this on my channel before in my get ready for fall video. These are essential oils by Art Natural. Just show you the box. It comes with 8 essential oils. You have frankincense, lemongrass, peppermint, eucalyptus, lavender, rosemary, tea tree, and sweet orange. I've purchased this 3 times already. It's gonna be a 4th time because I have finished most of them. Only have lemongrass, rosemary, orange, and frankincense left because I use those the least. But you can use these essential oils for everything. You can burn them in a diffuser. I dropped the orange and the lemongrass into the garbage disposal, into the garbage can, just to keep things from getting a little funky, you know. But I love using these, especially when I am sleeping for work. I'll burn the eucalyptus and the lavender. Sweet dreams, okay? Don't sleep. I think this box is about $15, and it lasts a pretty long time. If it's not $15, it's cheaper. I know it's not expensive, because if it was expensive, I would remember. She's cute. Ooh, I look like I'm about to be in like a fancy like hotel commercial, or do like a bomb ass care routine or something. Anyway, the next item is this beautiful robe that cost, are you ready, $20. A robe this soft, this plush, can retail for up to $100 or more. You never know where you're trying to buy it from, sis, okay? But this one was $20, and when I tell you, smooth, soft, plush robe, okay? This was a Christmas gift to 3 people, 4 if you want to include myself, last year, okay? I bought one for my mother, I bought one for my cousin, and I bought one for my soon-to-be mother-in-law. They have different colors, and they have a wide range of sizes. I think this is a medium, and it's pretty long, like the best thing since sliced bread. This is probably one of my favorite Amazon purchases. 1, because it's so cheap. 2, it has durability, and 3, it feels good, like fresh out the shower. You can't go wrong with this. I'm trying hard not to get makeup on it. I already got a little bit of spots on there, but this is like, it's so soft. I love it so much. And once this gets old and ratty, I will be buying another one. Now, fair warning, when I looked this up on Amazon to repurchase it, there's no photo for the robe. I have no idea why. Part of me wants to like write the company and be like, hello, I'm trying to sell your stuff, and there's no picture for me to be able to advertise. But another part of me is just like, that's not my responsibility. So yeah, I don't know why there's no photo for this, but trust me, daddy, okay? This is something worth purchasing. All right, so the next items are going to be about the kitchen, my favorite room in the house, okay? Besides my bedroom, of course, obviously, I like to sleep. Anyway, the next thing I'm gonna show you are mason jar covers. If you watched my juicing video, which if you haven't, you should, you would have already seen these. This is how I store my juices, and I got lids for my mason jars because I hate those metal lids. If you lose a piece, you no longer have a lid. They rust so easily if they do not dry properly. It drives me nuts. So I got these little plastic lids that come with an airtight seal. Look at that, so much easier, easy to clean. It's aesthetically pleasing. Those metal lids drive me nuts. I think this box was about $10, and it comes with 18 mason jar lids. It comes in a pack with a small, one and a big one, clearly, and then it comes with these little silicone pieces to help seal your lid off, okay? It's worth every penny. I absolutely love this, and I will never ever 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 use mason jar lids again. If I could buy a mason jar without a lid, I would. Okay, so next are these acrylic tumblers, insulated tumblers. One of my favorite Amazon purchases. Okay, this one is really, really big. As you can see the difference. I had 4 of these. I gave one away, and then I broke 2. So safe to say these are not, oh, I lied, I had 3. I gave one away and I broke 1. And now this is the only baby left. I probably won't get another one of this big pack, but I will definitely repurchase the small pack. It's a lot easier to handle, not as big, and you know, easy to fall and break. And once it falls, it's gonna break, sis. But I love these. I fill coffee up with these, juice, water. We just moved. This one was my best friend the 2 days that we moved. I filled it all the way up with ice and water, and it lasted me the whole day. I just sipped and sipped and sipped, and it came through. They come with straws. I probably am gonna look into getting metal straws that fit through here, just because the plastic is not very durable, but these cups are legit, okay? Next is this knife by Ooey. No stain, sharp, as my brother would say, cut through your hand knife, okay? This bad boy can replace every other knife in your kitchen because it is that sharp. I use this every single day to cut every single item of food that I have in my kitchen. Bread, meat, veggies, it doesn't matter what it is. This knife is honestly heaven sent. And I bought one for my mother. She loves it. I am going to buy another one for myself because I'm constantly washing this one because it's the only knife that I want to use to cut things with. I'm going to put it down because it's pretty dangerous, but it is worth it. It's only, I think, $20 for a knife that sharp, that professional. $20 is really cheap because knives go up into the hundreds. But that knife right there, you need, okay? Deep Fried Honey posted it on her Instagram, and I bought it because I'm easily influenced and I don't regret it whatsoever. All right, next is another kitchen item, and they are storage jars. I love these things. If you are into organization, if you're into kitchen, if you're into anything adult related, you're gonna love these jars because it seems like the whole world is into organizing and fixing their kitchens and their spaces and maximizing space and making everything aesthetically pleasing. This falls into that category. These are by xoxo. These are airtight storage, food storage containers. Look at how massive this thing is. Full of oatmeal, and I have different sizes that came in the set with flour, sugar, brown sugar. This one, as you can see, I have my chocolate chips for when I bake or make chocolate chip pancakes or whatever. It's great. I can't even talk. I just set these up a few days ago, guys, so the excitement calm down. The excitement is still there, okay? Listen, I had tons of bags all over, flour inside of a Ziploc bag to keep it fresh, 3-4 bags of chocolate chips and butterscotch, 2-3 bags of brown sugar. We all know brown sugar needs to be in an airtight container or else that bad boy is going to turn into a rock. So needless to say, I was very excited when I got these. Now I will say the set that I purchased was at Costco, but I just stumbled upon that. I was looking for these containers on Amazon and I was contemplating what set I was gonna get, and just so happened to run into a sale at Costco where they had a 9-piece set of these containers on sale. So I grabbed it because it was there in my face in person and I could see them, feel them, touch them, and obviously fell in love and brought them home. So safe to say you need these in your life. They have ones for cereal, they have little scoops, they have any and everything to meet your organizational desires, okay? It is the bomb. And I love the easy open this of the containers. Like, push it down to open it, it becomes free, and then we're airtight again. Nothing comes out, okay? You need these. Okay, lastly, we're gonna do just a few home items. And when I say a few, I literally mean 2 things, because these 2 things are 2 things that I have purchased over and over again and I love, okay? The first thing, microfiber cloths. This is just by the brand Siga. I think this is the bestseller on Amazon. Again, I will leave the link below. It comes with 4 different colors, but I believe the pack came with 24. So 24 of these for I think $20, and they last you forever because they are washable and you can literally clean any and everything with them. I clean countertops, I dust with them, showers, just anything. You can clean anything with these microfiber cloths. I'm sure people are already hip to these. I'm not new to them either, but I know a lot of people don't know about them and are still using paper towels and sponges to clean their whole house. Those don't last long because you can't throw them in the washing machine. These babies, you can wash them, easy peasy. They're brand new. I had one set for over a year, and honestly they didn't need to go in the garbage, but I threw them away just because they were old, and I got me a brand new pack. These are a blessing. Get you some. Okay, so the last thing, probably the biggest thing that I have purchased twice and will continue to purchase because I absolutely love them is, if I can pick it up, this big stackable tier sliding basket contraption. I'll do like a separate video of it so you can properly see, but I use these everywhere. Right now I have one in my kitchen under the sink, organizing things like my microfiber cloths, smell goods for the house, sponges, you know, anything cleaning related in the bathroom. And then under the sink, and then in the bathroom I have it with my hair care products, my skincare products. You can store anything you want in this. If you're a teacher, this would be great for your teaching supplies, perfume. You can put anything you want in these. I just love it because it's stackable. It has drawers so it can slide out, so you can pack it all the way to the back and just slide it out and easily be able to get whatever it is you're trying to get. You can store things on the top. I absolutely love these. Like I said, I have 2 of them, and when I find the need for a third, I will be getting one because it's just great. It helps you save space, especially if you're in an apartment like us. It helps us save space and still store the massive amount of things that we have. So I find this to be a great purchase. This cost $26. So $26 for this. And like I said, it slides out. One drawer is smaller than the other, and what's great about it is you can stack 2 of these on top of each other. Like, I can stack the 2 that I have together and put them in an area big enough and store a massive amount of things, and it will only take up the width of the drawers themselves. I absolutely love it, and I think you will too. All right, well, that is pretty much it. That's all I have for you. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you find something that you like, something that you never knew you needed, but you have to go ahead and buy. If so, all the links to everything in this video will be down below. Early apologies for anything that may or may not be out of stock or in the specific color that you might want. That's just the nature of the game when it comes to Amazon. But If you enjoy videos like these, please, like I said, give it a thumbs up. If you're new, subscribe, share this video with someone you love, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.